Hello students, today I am here with the solutions of page number 22. And in this page, all questions given are very simple question. So we can do one by one. The first question is, which expression describe the thickness of a sheet of paper after it is folded 10 times? And also initial thickness is given V. So what we have to find is the thickness of the paper after 10 folding. Initial thickness of the paper is already given, that is V. It is given in the question. And when we are folding one time, then two layers will be there. One paper when we are folding, two layers will be there. So thickness, one layer thickness is V. So two layers thickness will be 2 multiplied with the V. So 2 into V, first fold thickness. Now again we are folding, that is second fold. At that time 4 layers will be there, and 4 you can write it as 2 multiplied with 2 or 2 square. So second fold thickness, actually it is 4 into V, and 4 we can write as 2 square. So 2 square multiplied with the V. Now third fold. When every time when we are folding, the layers become double. So 4 layers become 8 layers. And 8 we can write as 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, that is 2 cube. So 8 layers thickness you can find 8 into V, or it is 2 cube into V. So there is a connection between the folding and the power of 2. First fold, power of 2. 2 means 2 raised to 1. So here we can write 2 raised to 1, because both are same. 2 raised to 1 multiplied with the V. First, when it is first, power of 2 is 1. And when it is second, then power of 2 is 2. And third, then power of 2 become 3. No other changes. Now 10th fold, if this pattern is following, then 10th fold will be power of 2 become 10, that is 2 to the power 10 multiplied with the V, that will be the thickness. That answer is given as 5th option, so this will be the correct answer. Now comes to next question, that is, what is minus 1 raised to 5? Is it positive or negative? What about minus 1 raised to 56? So minus 1 raised to, if it is an odd number, any odd number if it is coming, answer will be negative, negative 1. For example, minus 1 raised to 3. That means minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 multiplied with minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Same number will come. So whenever the power is odd number, minus 1 raised to that odd number power, answer will be the same. And minus 1 raised to an even power, then in that case answer will be 1. So minus 1 raised to 5, we can find the answer. Here 5 is an odd number, so answer will be minus 1. Otherwise you can find this way also, minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1 into minus 1. It will repeat 5 times. So when you multiply, the answer will be minus 1. That is, when the power is an odd number, answer will be minus 1. Here next one, minus 1 raised to 56. Here you know 56 is an even number. So answer will be minus 1 raised to even, answer will be 1. So for solving this type of question, this if you are making by heart, you can easily find answer. That is, minus 1 raised to the power odd number, answer will be minus 1. And minus 1 raised to even, for example, easily you can remember minus 1 raised to 2. that is 1. So minus 1 raised to the power, if it is even, answer will be 1, a positive number. Next question, is minus 2 raised to 4 is 16? Verify. Here you can find the answer, that is minus 2 raised to 4. The meaning is minus 2 will repeat 4 times. So minus 2 into minus 2 multiplied with the minus 2. Here minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. Again minus 2 into minus 2, that also 4. 4 into 4, 16. So answer is verified. Now we will discuss figure it out. Page number 22 and 23. In that first question, express the following in exponential form. In that first one, 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So you know, continuous multiplication we will write in the exponential form as, that is here 6 is repeating 4 times. So the same number, whatever number is multiplying, that will come here, and it is repeating 4 times, so the power is 4. Now next one, y into y. Here we have to express the answer as exponential form. So the same y will come first, then power, 2 times it is repeating, so power is 2. Here b is a repeating number, so b is the base. How many times it is repeating? 4 times, so power will be 4. And here 5 into 5, first number is repeating 2 times, then multiple sign, then second number, that is 7, is repeating 3 times, so this will be the exponential form. Then next one, 2 is repeating 2 times, so 2 square, power is 2, it is repeating 2 times, then multiple sign, then a is repeating 2 times, so a square. Whatever the number is written here, that will be the base. Now here a into a into a, that means a is repeating 3 times. Repeating number will write first. Then multiple sign, c is repeating 1, 2, 3, 4. So c to the power 4. Then d. That is the answers. Very simply you can solve these questions. Now next question, express each of the following as a product of powers of their prime factors in exponential form. Here in the question, first one is 648, and prime numbers, you know, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. are prime numbers. So only these numbers you can use for division. So here this is an even number, so let's start with the 2. 324, again with 2, 1 time, then 162, again with 2, 81. Now let's try with 3, 2 3s are 6, remainder 2, then 121, 7, 3, 9, again 3, 1, again 3, last 1. So this we can express as prime factors, that is 648 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 is coming 4 times, or here you can see 2 is repeating 3 times, so exponential form is 2 raised to 3, and this we can write as a short form in as exponential, that is 3 is repeating 4 times. So short form is called exponential form. So this answer 648 we can express in exponential form like this. Second question, that is 405, and here also we have to do the prime factorization. So since the last digit is 5, I am starting with the 5. So 8 5s are 40, 1 5s are 5. Now here this we can do with the 3. So 2 3s are 6, remainder 2, 21, 7, again with the 3. So 9 3s are 27. Now 3 3s are 9, again with the 3, one time. So here 405 we can express in exponential form as, first we will write the prime factorization, that is 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, or 5 multiplied with the 3 raised to 4. 5 we can write as 5 raised to 1 if you want. So this is the answer. Now third question, 540. And this also 540 we can divide with 2 since this is an even number. So 270, again divide with 2, 135. Now with 5. So 2 5s are 10, 35, 7 5s are 35, then 3, 9, again 3, 3, 1. So 540 you can write as 2 into 2 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 3 into 3 into 3, or this exponential form, that is short form. 2 into 2 is 2 square, and 5, only one 5 is there, so we can write 5 raised to 1. Now 3 is repeating 3 times, so 3 raised to 3. The fourth one, 3600. So 3600, first we can do with 2, 1800. Now again 2, that is 900. Now with the 3 also you can do, that is 300. Again with the 3, that is 100. Now 250, 2. Now with the 5, 1. So 3600 you can write as, here you can see 2 is repeating 4 times, so 2 raised to 4, and 3 is repeating 2 times, 3 raised to 2. Now 5 is repeating 2 times. So this is the exponential form. Now we will discuss page number 23. Write the numerical value of each of the following. So here exponential form is given. We have to find the numerical, that is normal value. The first one is 2 multiplied by 10 cube. So the answer is 2 multiplied with 10 cube normal form. We can write, that is 10 into 10 into 10. 10 is repeating 3 times. So this become 2 multiplied with 1000 or 2000. First answer is 2000. Now second one, that is 7 square, that we can write 7 into 7. Now 2 cube, that we can write 2 into 2. That is 2 is repeating 3 times. So this become 7 7s are 49. 49 into 2, that is 98 multiplied with the 4. So this become 392. Now next answer, that is 3 multiplied with the 4 raised to 4. We can write 4 is repeating 4 times. Exponential form, multiplication symbol will come every time, because exponential form is the short form of repeated multiplication. So this we can write as 3 multiplied with 4 into 4, that is 16. Again 4 into 4, that also 16. So 16 into 16 is 256. So this answer become 768. Now next one, minus 3 to the power 2. That means minus 3 is repeating 2 times. Now minus 5 square means minus 5 is repeating 2 times. So here minus 3 multiplied with minus 3, minus into minus plus, 3 into 3, 9. Then 5 into 5, 25, minus into minus plus. So 9 into 25, that means 225. That is the final answer. Now the next one, that is 3 square. 3 square is 3 into 3. Now 10 to the power 4 means 10 is repeating 4 times. So this become 9 multiplied with the 10,000 or 90,000. That is the final answer. Now next one, minus 2 raised to 5. That means minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. 5 times it has to be repeated because 5 power is 5. Now 10, minus 10 will repeat 6 times. So minus 10, 6 times you have to multiply. Now 3 times again 4. Now below we will write minus 10 multiplied with the minus 10. Now we have to multiply all these things. That is so this answer become minus 2. 2 pairs you can take. So this become 4 again. From 4 again, one more minus 2 is there, that we can write minus 2. Now minus 10 into minus 10, these two we can take. That means minus into minus plus, 10 into 10, 100. Again next answer, that also 100 because minus into minus plus, again 100. So final answer, 4 4s are 16. 16 into minus 2, that is minus 32 multiplied with the 100 into 100, that is 1 with it 40, 10,000 again with the 100, or this become minus 32. Here 40, here 20. So in the answer 6 zeros will be there. That is the final answer. And in this video we are discussing up to here. I hope all of you understood.